Your home's windows do more than just provide a view. They play a crucial role in maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Over time, however, even the best windows can show signs of wear and tear. If you're in Lexington and noticing some issues with your windows, it may be time for an upgrade. Here are some common signs it's time to replace your windows. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you feel cold air coming in during the winter or warm air during the summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. This issue can lead to fluctuating temperatures inside your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Not only does this affect your comfort, but it also drives up your heating and cooling costs. Replacing your windows with more energy-efficient options can help keep your home at the perfect temperature year-round. Condensation between the panes. If you notice foggy windows or condensation building up between the panes of your double-glazed windows, it's a clear sign that the seal has failed. When this happens, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency. Condensation can also make it difficult to see clearly through your windows, compromising your home's appearance and your ability to enjoy the view. Replacing the windows or the seals can restore clarity and performance. Difficulty opening and closing windows that are hard to open or close are not only frustrating but can also pose a safety risk in the event of an emergency. If you have windows that stick, jam, or don't lock properly, it may be time to replace them. Modern windows are designed to function smoothly and provide easy operation. Newer models also come with advanced security features to protect your home. If your current windows are difficult to use, investing in replacements can make your home safer and more convenient. Visible damage or wear. Your windows can suffer from a variety of physical damages, from cracks and chips in the glass to rotting or warping frames. Whether it's due to weathering, impact damage, or age, these issues can reduce the aesthetic appeal of your home and compromise the effectiveness of your windows. Damaged windows also allow for more energy loss, increasing your utility bills. If your windows show signs of significant wear or are no longer functioning properly, it may be time to replace them. High energy bills. If your energy bills have been steadily rising, it could be due to inefficient windows. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, allow heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and gas-filled spaces can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce your energy bills. Noise pollution. Another sign that your windows might need replacing is an increase in outside noise. If you notice that traffic, construction, or neighborhood sounds are more noticeable inside your home, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. This can be especially bothersome if you live in a busy area like downtown Lexington. Modern windows are designed to offer better soundproofing, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home. Outdated appearance. The aesthetic of your home plays a significant role in its overall appeal and value. If your windows are outdated, faded, or no longer match your home's style, they can detract from your property's curb appeal. New windows can dramatically enhance the look of your home, giving it a more modern, fresh appearance. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to improve your living space, new windows can be a great investment in your home's appearance and value. Frequent maintenance. If you find yourself constantly repairing or maintaining your windows, whether it's scraping off peeling paint, replacing weather stripping, or fixing broken seals, it may be a sign that they've reached the end of their lifespan. New windows require much less maintenance and can save you both time and money in the long run. Investing in replacement windows can be a more cost-effective option compared to ongoing repairs. Conclusion. If you're experiencing any of these issues with your windows in Lexington, it's a good idea to start thinking about replacement options. New windows can improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable living environment, but you'll also save on energy bills and reduce the need for constant maintenance. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider replacing your windows to ensure your home is performing at its best.